So I wanted to add on or change a little bit of my item list, and I wanted to talk to you about you really can add formulas in there. I kind of took the easy way out and made everything a count and didn't put any formulas, but I do want to show you that you can import formulas into the batch item insert for the in ZZ. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a real quick list here. I think I've already got stuff highlighted. See, and what I want to do is show you that I did production rate. Now production rate can be point count divided by, or area divided by, or point count times, depending on the situation. But for the sake of this video, I went ahead and just made it times production rate. Okay, just to show you how this works. Okay, so and we've got this copied, so we'll just go straight into ZZ, and I'm going to create a new library, and I'll call this equipment. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and batch insert again, and then go ahead with a Command V or paste, and then hit add items. Okay, so when it brings it in, you're going to see that it has these formulas, okay, that we just brought in from the Excel sheet or Google sheet. So you can see, hey, we have the production rate, point count times production rate per hour. And it made this variable where you can go ahead and say, okay, it's going to be 3 of these per hour, or you can go back and say it's going to take 3 hours each, and that would be something where you would divide by. Okay, so anyways, but the point of the video is to show you that you can batch insert a bunch of formulas, okay? And it's a very cool way of doing it. It just kind of helps you get a little bit faster if you kind of set it up. And you might even create a bunch of equipment per hour, and then a bunch of equipment of hours each. It's up to you. The world's a wonderful place in zzTakeoff. You can do so much. It's so fluid, so easy to use, so versatile. You can create it any way you want. The AI features are fantastic. The batch import features are fantastic. It really is a breath of fresh air, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. Okay, thanks for watching the video.